Today we are going to learn about the states of matter. There are three primary states of matter: liquid, solid, and gaseous. There is another state of matter called plasma, which we do not encounter as a primary state. They differ from each other on the basis of different intermolecular forces, the arrangement of particles, they differ from each other on the basis of intermolecular forces, the arrangement of particles, and the distance between the particles. So now we are going to learn the difference, how they differ from each other, on which basis. So first of all, gases. The particles in gases are very widely apart, and there is no order between these particles. And they have very weak intermolecular forces. This makes the gases easily compressible to be stored in a cylinder easily and be compressed more easily. Now in liquids. In liquids, the particles are not very widely apart, they are close together, but they are moving very randomly. And the intermolecular forces between these particles are stronger than the gases. The liquids are not easily compressed. Liquids cannot be easily compressed in containers, but so in liquids, the molecules are packed together. Are not packed together, but they are close together. But they cannot move. But they move randomly. There exist significant. So in liquids, the gases are the particles are tightly packed together, but they move randomly. These properties make the gases incompressible. They can be compressed, but with difficulty. Their densities are higher than the gases, and gases have lower densities. Gases have very small densities due to its properties of particles very widely apart and no order whatsoever. And now in solids. In solids, the particles are very tightly packed together. These are tightly packed together. Solids have a definite shape and a fixed volume, meaning that they cannot change their shape if they are put into another container, unlike gases and liquids. Gases and liquids can change their shape when they are put into a specific shape of container. Solids cannot change their shape if they are put into another container. And the densities of solid is very high, and they have very strong intermolecular forces.